Today in this video, I'm going to show you one of the free indicator that can give you sure shot signals, and these signals are very amazing because this is it looks like a moving average indicator, but you can see it also predicts the trend direction, and that is very powerful and that the market really follows. You can see we have the downward momentum right now, and you can see this indicator has already predicted this thing that the price will go down, and also we had the moving average that was turned into the red color. And today in this video I will highlight that how you can optimize your entry as per this indicator so that you can have a maximum benefit from this indicator. So before I jump into this video, if you're looking to join the best broker that I personally use, then please find the broker link in the description of this video below. This broker offers you a variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen, and this is one of the regulated brokers that I am using from 2015. So please find the link in the description of this video below. And moreover, subscribers, if you're looking to book the 1 hour market maker session with me, then please find the details of the market maker session in the Telegram channel. There is a pinned message into the Telegram channel, and when you will click the pin message, then you will see all details about the market maker method, because nothing is best than the market maker method. So please find all details from the Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so what this indicator is about and how to use this indicator, and today I'm going to highlight this thing in my video. So I'm going to delete this indicator, and now I'm going to the indicator section. And guys, here all you just need is to write Fedra, Fedra. So this indicator will come, that is called Fedra Algo Trading LR plus TTP indicator light, and the name of author is Fedra Algo Trading. And once we click this indicator, it will be attached on our screen. So the usage of this indicator is very important. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the usage. So first of all, let's go to the gold chart. Right now we are here on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so first of all, once the moving average cross each other and when the trend get into the red color, we do not have to do anything. Okay, I again repeat, when the moving average crosses each other, we do not have to plan our trade. What we will do, we will always wait for the market to come back. Like for example, if you just look at this area, the market break below, okay, and then you can see the market comes up, and from this area you must have the direction of the indicator that is like this at the moment. So there must be direction on that time that is directed you into the downward direction. So you need to take your selling positions after some sort of when the market has done the correction, then you will go for that trade. So for example, let's talk about this example. Like right now, if you just look at this scenario, the market comes here, okay, and now if I zoom in my picture, then you can see that the upper red line is the maximum line for the market, and then you can see the market touched that line and then received the rejection. So I would like you to plan your trades like when the moving average is into the red color. So plan the selling trades, not the buying trades. Okay. So let's review some other charts so that we should not. Okay. Right now, for example, look at this trade that was already into the green color. So when it already turned into green, I told you that you do not have to plan any trade. You can see the market was reversed and it comes near to the green line, and now you can see a push. Okay. Now if you are going to plan a sell position from here, this will be quite wrong. Okay, now what you could do next, the market will come again down, and when it will come to retest the green line, and when it starts to go up again, then you can again plan a buy position, not a sell position. Okay, so let's have a look on other charts. So for example, okay, look at this example. The moving average was already green, so come for the retest here. You can see it retested the green line, and now you can see prices up. So guys, I am providing super easy, up to the date and to the point indicators on my YouTube channel. That is why I say that always subscribe the YouTube channel, because lot of useful content will be uploaded soon, and you will love the strategies that I will be going to post on my YouTube channel. You will not even imagine. Look at this. This becomes our selling area. Okay, because the trend is a red color, now you can see the price is going down. However, the channel is directed into the upward side, but you need to follow the color of the moving average, that which color it is. So for example, this is red, and now this becomes your selling activity, not the buying activity. So you can use this indicator on any time frame. If you are a swing trader, you can try it on the 15-minute chart. Otherwise, if you are a scalper, you can work on the 5-minute chart, and this indicator will do wonders for your trading matters. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel for more interesting content, like the videos, share the videos, and thank you very much for watching this video.